Welcome to Lokhidev Das Information YouTube channel. Now I have presentation on IIBF exam question and answer in English 2021. Presented by Lokhidev Das 9101046197. Director Krishnaguru Computer Training Center KCTC Okajan Santipur Okajan Dhemaji Assam pin 787059. Let's start now. CSA 100% pass guarantee. Question number 1. Currency notes are issued by the right answer RBI. Question number 2. Coins are issued by answer Government of India. Question number 3. The Modern Bank Limited should have minimum of rupees crores as their capital at the rate of minimum of percentage respectively as per RBI guidelines applicable to Indian banks. The right answer is 2700 4.50%. Question number 4. A firm has an opening of stock of rupees 70,000, closing stock of 90,000 and cost of goods sold 2,40,000. What the inventory turnover ratio? Ratio is 3. Question number 5. Which of the following statement is correct? The right answer is foreign exchange markets are dynamic and round the clock markets. Question number 6. Currency notes are issued by answer is RBI. Question number 7. Coins are issued by answer is Government of India. Question number 8. The Modern Bank Limited should have minimum of rupees crores as the capital at the rate of minimum of respectively as per RBI guidelines applicable to Indian banks. Answer is 4.50%. Question number 9. A firm has opening of stock of rupees 70,000, closing stock of 90,000 and cost of goods sold by 2,40,000. What the inventory turnover ratio? The ratio is 3. Question number 10. Which of the following statement is correct? The right answer is foreign exchange markets and dynamic and round the clock markets. Question number 11. Which of the following definition is most correct? UCD, UC, PDC 500 is answer is set of rules formed by ICC governing LIC business globally. Question number 12. A market notes USD/INR as 43.61/63 at what rate can buy use at given quote? The right answer is 43.63. Question number 13. A correspondent in Japan wants to fund his Vastio account of rupees 10 million at USD/INR at 6.356/57 and JPY at 109.6/60/70. How much JPY is unable to correspondent paying into your Nestio account with him, assuming none merge are loaded? The right answer is 2,51,762. Question number 14. We should keep our saving with banks because the right answer is option D, all of above. Question number 15. Bank does not give loan against the right answer lottery ticket. Question number 16. Bank having maximum number of branches in India. The right answer is State Bank of India. Question number 17. 100 rupees note is signed by the right answer is RBI Governor. Question number 18. ATM password should be kept in the right answer is memory. Question number 19. ATM password to be shared only with none of above. Question number 20. Nomination can be done in all of above. Question number 21. Who is the present governor of RBI? The right answer is Shaktikanta Das. Question number 22. Minimum age required to open SBI account in the bank. The right answer is option 10 years. Question number 23. Bank passbook is all of the above. Question number 24. General insurance is related to insurance against. Answer is option D, all of above. Question number 25. Aadhaar is right answer both A and B. Question number 27. Which of the prohibited for writing the currency note? All of the above. Question number 28. PPF means answer public provident fund. Question number 29. Highest denomination of currency note issued by RBI is rupees. Answer is rupees 1000. Question number 30. NRI means answer non-resident Indian. Question number 31. Gold and silver ornaments should be kept in bank lockers. Both A and B answer. Question number 32. PAN means the right answer is permanent account number. Question number 33. Who is the present Union Finance Minister of India? The right answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. Question number 34. Bank provides loans for all of the above. Question number 35. Which currency note has security threat? All of above. Question number 36. The safest place of keeping money? Answer is bank. Question number 37. Banks pays interest on. Right answer is deposits. Question number 38. Bank charge interest on. Answer is loans. Education loans, all of above. Question number 40. Business correspondence means an agent who provides banking service. Question number 41. Internet banking refers to. Answer is operation of account through internet. Question number 42. Nomination once can done. The right answer is B, cancel. Question number 43. The loan sanctioned by banks NBFCs MFIs on the after up to 10 lakhs for small business income generating activities are known as PMMY loans. Answer is 18 April 2015. Question number 44. What is the amount of overdraft facility sanctioned under PMJDY is classified as Mudra loans under PMMY? The right answer is 5,000. Question number 45. Who is the eligible to get the Mudra loans under PMMY out of following borrowers? The right answer is small fruits vendors, vegetable sellers, etc. Question number 46. Total loan sanction disbursed under PMMY is eligible, accessible to for information of the bank NBFCs MIFs general public at large. The right answer is Mudra portal. Question number 47. All PMMY loans will be governed by formulated by Mudra in consultation with DFS rating agency MFIN and Southern and other stockholders for adopted by all the lending institutions. Answer is Mudra loan charter. Question number 48. Mudra scheme is applicable to which type of MSE business under income generation purpose? Both A and B. Question number 49. The Bechel Committee has defined gross income as net interest income and plus net non-interest income and has allowed its relevant national supervisor to define gross income in accordance with the prevailing accounting practice. Accordingly, the Reserve Bank of India in draft guidelines issued on 11 March 2005 for implementation of the new capital adequacy framework has modified the gross income definition slightly. The net interest income has been replaced by the right answer is net profit. Question number 50. Based on the gross income given above, the likely capital charge for Modern Bank Limited as on March 31st, 2007 to cover optional risks under basic indicator approach shall be. The right answer is 450 crores. Question number 51. The Modern Bank Limited will require total capital funds for covering credit risks as on March 31st, 2007 to comply Basel norms of rupees 2 crores. The right answer is 5,400 crores. Question number 52. Payment of check can be stopped by. The answer is draw of check. Question number 53. Account pay check can be paid. Answer is by deposit in bank account. Question number 54. In running deposits, all of the above. Question number 55. Interest on saving bank deposit is paid. Answer is half yearly. Question number 56. Multiplier notes can be charged at bank. 57. ATM can be used for all of the above. Question number 58. Upon detection of counterfeit notes at the counter bank, the right answer is impound the note and issue receipt. Question number 59. Fixed deposit can. Answer is withdraw before maturity. Question number 60. Interest on FDRS is compounded on. The right answer is quarterly basis. Question number 61. Contents of locker are. The right answer is only known to here. Question number 62. If locker rent is not paid, bank can. All of above. Answer. Right answer. Question number 63. MG and REGS stand for Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Generation Scheme. Question number 64. Net interest income is. Answer is difference between interest earned and interest paid. Question number 65. Interest rate risk is type of. Answer is market risk. Question number 66. European option can be exercised on any day at the option of the buyer on or before the expiry of the option. Right answer is false. Question number 67. If the validity per annum is 25% and the number of trading days per annum is 252, find the validity per day. And the right answer is 1.58%. Question number 68. As per Reserve Bank of India directive, the minimum capital adequacy ratio and minimum tier capital Modern Bank is required to maintain as on 31st March 2007 should be respectively. Answer is 9% and 4.5%. Question number 69. Maximum turnover of fixed deposit is. Right answer is 10 years. Question number 70. What is RuPay debit card? The right answer is all of above. Question number 71. To whom overdraft facility of rupees 5,000 in PMJDY account is available? All of. The right answer is all of above. Question number 72. What is the direct benefit transfer? The right answer, transfer is a social benefit / subsidiary directly in bank accounts of beneficiaries. Question number 73. What is the mean by Aadhaar sending? The right answer, linking of Aadhaar with bank account. Question number 74. What are the benefits attached to PMJDY? The right answer is all of above. Question number 75. Who can open an account under PMJDY? The right answer is all of above. Question number 73. Who is Bank Mitra? Answer is banking correspondent engaged by banks. Question number 77. What is the maximum amount of deposit acceptable in small account? The 50,000. Right answer is 50,000. Question number 78. What kinds of service are available fees in basic saving bank deposit account? The right answer is all of above. Question number 79. What is the minimum deposit required while opening a BSBD account? The right answer is no minimum deposit required. Question number 80. What is the Atal Pension Yojana, APY? The right answer is all of above. Question number 81. What is the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, PMSBY? The right answer is accidental insurance cover. Question number 82. What is the Pradhan Mantri Jivan Jyoti Bima Yojana, PMJJBY? Answer is covers life insurance up to rupees 2 lakhs. Question number 83. Which type of deposit earn higher interest rate? The right answer is fixed deposit. Question number 84. Under PMJBY, accident death claim is available for? The right answer is rupees 2 lakhs. Question number 85. What is the validity period of check? Answer is 3 months from the date of issue. Question number 86. Under PMSBY, partial disability claim is available for? The right answer is rupees 1 lakhs. Question number 87. Can illiterate person is issued debit card? The right answer is yes. Question number 88. Under APY fixed person pension can be chosen from? The right answer is rupees 1,000, rupees 2,000, rupees 3,000, rupees 4,000, rupees 5,000. Question number 89. PMJDY LIC insurance of 30,000 is available for first time account open? The right answer is between 15 August 2014 and 26 January 2015. Question number 90. Bank does not provide loans for? The right answer is drinking and gambling. Question number 91. KYC means? The right answer is know your customer. Question number 92. Loans from money lender are? The right answer is all of above. Question number 93. ATM means? Answer is automated teller machine. Question number 94. Timely repayment of loan result? Right answer all of above. Question number 95. Defaulter of loan means? The right answer is non-paying loan installments. Question number 96. Life insurance means? The right answer is insurance of human. Question number 97. Are not covered under PMJDY life insurance scheme rupees 30,000. Right answer is all of above. Question number 98. What does PMMY stand for? The right answer is Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. Question number 99. What is the maximum loan amount available under PMMY? The right answer is rupees 10 lakhs. Question number 100. How much loan can be available under Shishu category? Shishu category available is rupees 50,000. Question number 101. Loan of 5 lakhs is covered under which category? The right answer is Kishore. 102. What is the purpose of which mudra loan can be available for carrying on any activity related to? The right answer is manufacturing, processing, trading, service. Question number 103. Who can open bank account? The right answer is all of above. Question number 104. PAN number is required for? The right answer deposit of 50,000 and above. Question number 105. TDS means? The right answer is tax deducted at source. Question number 106. Maximum amount of check? No limit. Question number 107. Bank draft is issued by? The right answer is all of above. Question number 108. Self-help group involves? The right answer is all of above. The question number 109. PMMY loan is given for which purpose? The right answer is income generation purpose. Question number 110. What are the collateral securities to be kept with banks for getting loans for MSC under PMMY? The right answer is nil. Question number 111. Who can avail the PMMY loans? The right answer is both A and B. Question number 112. From where the PMMY loan can be availed? The right answer is public sector bank, private sector bank, foreign banks, cooperative banks. Question number 113. PMMY loan can be availed from the bank in which? The right answer is both A and B and C. Question number 114. What is the role of Mudra under PMMY loans? The right answer is act as a refinance agency and refinance to all banks, NBFCs, MFIs for onward lending to outcome customers under defined categories of PMMY loans as per need of the customer. Question number 115. The borrowers can avail the credit in a hassle-free and flexible manner with the Mudra card, which is the right answer is debit card with sanction limit. Question number 116. Mudra card is debit card on which payment platform? The right answer is RuPay. Question number 117. What is the use of Mudra card and how it can be used? The right answer is both of above. Question number 118. Who issued the Mudra card is to customer? The right answer is bank editor directly or association with MFIs. Question number 119. PMMY loans are available to right answer is all banks all over India. Question number 120. What are the interest rate of the PMMY loans extended by banks, NBFCs, MFIs to the borrowers? The right answer is responsible rate decided by lending banks, NBFCs, MIFS that should fall within the overall RBI guidelines. Question number 121. PMMY loans are provided for what tenure? Depends on cash flows of the branch's business and decided by the lending institutions. Question number 122. What is the governance recital mechanism available against bank officials in the event of non-sanction of loan? The right answer is both of above. Question number 123. What are the documents that are required to be submitted for availing loans under Mudra? Both of above. Right answer. Question number 124. Who monitors the implementation of PMMY progress at national level? Answer is Mudra Dependent of Financial Service. Question number 125. Where are the frequency asked question FQS and PMMY loans available for information of the lending institution public? The right answer is Mudra website. Question number 126. Simple project profiles for running or setting up of micro small enterprises is available at right answer is Mudra website. Question number 127. Mudra has been set up by whom? Government of India. Thank you.